everyone guys, today I am going to show you how to do ePrint using your HP MFPM 130 FW printer. So that is a printer which a few days ago I showed you the review of this printer. So what exactly I'm going to do, for the ePrinting you must have to enable this feature. So already I enabled the feature of HP ePrinting, right? So okay, later what exactly I am going to do, when you enable this e-printing facility in this printer, so you will get a permanent email address. So what exactly you have to do, okay, if you have your email, so you just, what exactly you have to do, you just have to compose an email, and here in the to section you just have to write the name of email address of the printer, which is a permanent email address of the printer when you enable the e-printing feature. So right now, for the purpose of security, I'm not going to show you what is my email address. So a little bit I'm going to do 59 something, right? So that is the email address, and here in the subject field, for example ASDSA whatever, and on the below I am going to enter the contents which exactly I want to take into the printout, right? So I'm going to send it, and this ePrint, it will take a second to send. The message has been sent. So later, if I show you my printer, it will take a second, depends on your internet speed. So doesn't matter if your printer is off, later you connect your printer to internet, the email address actually is in the queue. So when it connects to the internet, it fetch all the emails one by one and do the printing. So this is a really cool feature. What exactly I can do while using the ePrint, I can do some printouts in my office to this email address. Later I can receive the email, right? For example, that is the email which I composed using my Gmail account, and in the to section I just put the permanent email address of the printer which was generated by this printer, right? So this is a really cool feature. So guys, I think that I should tell you about this feature. If you have this machine or any other latest machine for the printing, so you can take really advantage of this feature. So keep remember me in your prayers. So bye.